Cloud Akshay YouTube channel once again, and today we are going to install Tomcat server into our Linux machine so we can use it for the Jenkins deployment. Now first we need to install the Java JDK for the Tomcat, and then we install the Tomcat. Okay, so I am on the official website on the Fedora to install the Java. You can go on the as per your Linux host machine. Now I take SSH on my machine and then install the Java packages on that. So paste the command it here. Now it will install the Java packages, Java JDK version 11 into my machine. Click yes. Once it is installed, then we need to go to the official website on the Tomcat, Apache Tomcat. I have created two virtual machine into my laptop, and one is this and second one is this. I am working right now on the client 2, and you can use the same setup on the AWS or any other cloud like GCP, Azure. Now Java is successfully installed. Now go to the official Tomcat website, Apache Tomcat download, and go to the download section. In the download section, check out the latest version, and latest version is 9, and I'm going to download the tar file for the Linux because I'm using the Linux. If you are using Windows, you can choose the Windows setup. Now clear the directory. I'm right now in the operating directory, and wget paste the command. It will pull the code from the Tomcat, and then we untar this, means we unzip the packages. Once the packages is unzipped, we will change the name to Tomcat, and then go to the Tomcat. In the Tomcat section, we go to the bin, and here we have some files. We can start or stop the Tomcat services. For start the Tomcat server, we need to run this command. It is a script to start the Tomcat. And now Tomcat is successfully running. Let's go to the browser and check it. In the browser, this is the Jenkins, and let's open the Tomcat server into the another. So it is Tomcat server IP. By default, it's running on the 8080 port. It's take time for the first time loading. Now our Tomcat Apache is successfully installed. We will use this Apache Tomcat server to deploy the artifact of the Jenkins. Now if we click on the manager app, it will show a error because we need to fix some permissions into our Linux machine. You can see the access is denied. We will see this thing, how to resolve that into our next section. We need to add some configuration here, then we can only access this page. Thank you. Keep safe.